Today I'm doing a video on my bird setup right now. It's actually behind me. That's all I'm going to do like this. My bird setup and my hamster is gone. God. This always happens to me. Why does this always happen to me? Bird toys. Bunch of bird toys. I have a bin cage for it, and I can get on top of it. I don't know it's not gone. Okay. So, yeah. My hamster is not gone, and if I look like I have lipstick on, I seriously don't. Like, I don't know what's wrong with my lips today. I looked in the mirror and I was like, my lips look way lighter or something. I don't know what it is. Like, don't know what it is. I was sick last night. I kind of threw up because I took my mom. It was late at night and my mom took my sister to her friends and we went shopping like at 10 o'clock at Dollar General. My mom just had to get bleach and I got a water bottle, but yeah, and it might be because I was sick last night and I just have a high fever, but I don't know. I don't know. They look way like plumper than they should be. Because my lips are usually not really big at all. I'm going to open this. Well, so let's get started. Bye. I'll see you in the next clip. So guys, I actually have my bird stuff right here. I'm going to show you it with my blinds down because I tied stuff to my blinds, which bird toys to my blinds I made, and yeah, so reveal is 1. This is my bird area. Guys, it kind of looks janky right now, but that will be fixed soon. But this is this dresser, which is the first dresser right here. I'm just going to show you like a bird part of my room. First dresser, I'm just going to show you everything in the dressers and everything. Yeah, so I actually just have a dresser full of hamster stuff, guinea pig stuff, extra bowls, extra toys, extra hidey huts for the hamsters. So I'm just going to start with everything. So first I'm going to get out regular gerbil hamster food. Just gerbil hamster food. And I'm just going to set you guys up here, so. This is. Okay, so. Sorry if you guys didn't see that. But I showed you the hamster food. Now this is just an extra little hidey hut I have. This is a very small hidey hut. It looks big. But I got this for my large hamster, and I was like, this is way too small, and I already bought it. So I was like, let's get another one. So I bought a bigger one that still, it's kind of small, but he still uses it because he likes to cuddle up in it. So for the next hamster, I get a robo hamster. I'm going to get a small little robo hamster. I'm getting my birds soon, but I'm actually getting them this weekend. It is actually Wednesday today. It's Wednesday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday. So like 4 days. But Friday I'm going to get the cage in the mail, and then I'm going to be going to get the birds. So, this is just an extra hidey hut. This is just a bunch of bowls, not really anything. Tupperware. This is my bowls, like the bowls. This is a sand bath. This is what I use for sand baths for my hamster. So the next hamster I get, I'm going to use this for a sand bath, and everything's fine. And, yeah. So I just have regular bowls. I have a little bit of calcium in there. Used to be from a lizard, but I don't have them anymore. So I still have to wash those out. And we have guinea pig food. This is like this is my animal drawer, just to let you know. when I get my birds, I'm gonna have a bunch of drawers, and then I just have a dog toy. So yeah, that's what I have in this drawer. I don't have any other things in any other drawers, but there is a bug on my window. Ooh. So now I'm gonna show you guys the finishing. So I'm gonna show you guys all the homemade toys I made and where I set them and everything. And yeah, so let's get started. And this is my animal. This is a drawer. This is a glue gun from actually last night. Okay, I actually forgot to turn it off. I left my glue gun on all night. So yes, I'll be putting away the glue gun. I was just using it to finish those touches. And you guys really can't see it, so I'm just gonna move closer. I'm gonna start from this side to this side, and I'm gonna start with my blinds. So this is actually just a little play hutch for them. So it has this little thing, and it's really steady. Like birds are not that heavy. So in this, it's just a little play thing. I let them play. I'm gonna turn my light. There we go. It's a little play thing we have for them. And I just have this where I'm going to stick treats in it, like millet, and I just glued it on. I'm going to stick treats in there and everything. And yeah, that is the first. This is the first. This is the first area of everything. So, moving on to. Sorry guys, this is not birthday. So, they just have this little space to walk in. I actually painted it. It's just flowers. And this, they can actually latch their feet onto, and they won't get stuck or anything. And this is a really cool toy I made. I'm gonna have to set you guys up. So, this is a ladder I made for the birds. And they can just walk up it and sit up here, and it's not really anything about it, just little ladder and stuff. And yeah, that's really all I really did, is do the ladder and stuff. But yeah, so that's really all we have to do today. Well, that's what I did last night. Was actually I glued the things. It would actually be better to show you guys. Yeah, I can tip it upside down. Won't fall off. And they have my whole room to play with. And this was a tunnel actually for my bunnies. Originally it was for my bunny. It's actually a very big hole at the top. For my bunnies to go in, but now bunnies are too large for it. So the bunnies are too large for it, and so I'm gonna make it a perch. I'm gonna make it like so they can sit up here. I'm gonna have my dad build a stand for it, so I can just set it somewhere and they can go on it, or if they want to go on it. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm going to be doing with that cardboard thing. It was actually originally Clash Royale log we made out of cardboard, but we didn't really use it much. It was just for show. But yeah, that's what we really did. And then moving on to this, you can't see it because the blinds are up. So now I have the hanging stuff off my blinds. So the first thing I have is actually this little thing I made out of bottle caps, and just tied little strings up there, and I hang it from my blinds. And this thing right here is actually a thing I made, and they can hang on to these and stuff. And then this is actually a thing I made with elastics and bottle caps. So. And then when you pull everything on it, when you pull my blinds up, okay. when you pull my blinds up like that, you can actually just let them hang. And then they just hang from there, and this hangs from there, and this hangs. And they also have this little string to play on. So this is just the bird area. That's what I'm gonna have for the bird area. I'm gonna put their cage. I'm gonna put their cage actually. I'm actually gonna put this. I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna scooch it over. I'm gonna actually do that. I'm gonna scooch it over like that, and then put their cage right here, because this is actually a very big space. It looks really small on camera, but it's a very big space, and their cage is like that, and it's really tall. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Is that right there? I'm gonna put their cage right there, so it's not by the window. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And then I'm probably gonna put this thing on the side of it, on the side right there. But I don't know yet. I will show you an updated. I will show you an updated. I'll show you what. Oh God, I forgot what I was about to say. I will show you an updated bird video and introducing my birds and the next video I have, or I might be able to upload another video. I don't know. But I will make sure that I will upload a video of introducing my birds and an update, because I'm going to get more toys for them and I'm going to hang them everywhere. That's what I'm going to be doing. And you're probably like, why are you letting the birds free range on your room when your room is carpeted and it's going to be so hard to get out of the carpet? Actually, the only reason why we, took in consider it that we will do this is because birds they're not hovering in the air. They have to land somewhere. And they want to land in a fun, happy place. So this is a really fun, happy place, and toys everywhere, toys on there, and they're gonna mostly land on this, play on these toys and everything, and they're not just gonna be flying around my room, and they are gonna be flying around my room, but they're not gonna be like hovering, just sitting there in midair doing that. So, and they're probably going to play with the toys and stuff, and that's over there. And this, I said that I just have to care about my room a lot, and, pick up, vacuum my room a lot, and take care of the carpet and everything. We are thinking about getting the carpet out so I can just sweep it up and everything, but we don't know yet, so we were just thinking that we don't know yet, so that's what we were doing. And yeah, so that's the bird play area, and I am gonna let him free range. And actually, I am closing off this. I have to take all of my things out of it and everything. Well, I have to take everything out of it so they can go in there, but I'm gonna just take everything out of it in my closet so they can go in there, and that can be their like place where they can go everywhere and they can hang from the perches and stuff. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing. And I do have other toys for them. I just haven't put them out. Yet. So yeah, that's the bird playroom, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If there will be an updated one, I promise, but I still just for now, I'm just gonna show you this because I don't have my birds yet, and I'm gonna be doing a video like I just said, introducing my birds when I do get my birds this weekend, but there will be a few videos before that. Yeah. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, peace. Just kidding, I'm not ending the video yet, I forgot that. If we hit if we hit what should I call it? If we get 10 likes on this video, I'll be doing an Amazon giveaway. I will order off Amazon, anything you want off Amazon, but there's a price range. Anything off Amazon, I even talked to my mom about it. I will be doing that, and if I get 10 likes, then we can get you anything off of Amazon. You just have to send us a picture, and there's going to be a price range. I'll do a different video about that, but yeah. So, but if this video doesn't, we're not going to do it because, like I said, if it only gets to what the price range is gonna be getting to. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and peace.